Now we can do a little bit of nice rotation around here. Once again, these are things you can't really do that easily with polygons, at least not to get such clean results with. And then we can fillet this like so. You can see here we kind of have a conflict. If I try and fillet that, we get a bad result. Let's change the order in which we fillet things. Let's fillet this first. All right, let's see if that, there we go. That gives us a better result. Now we can fillet this right here. All right, there we go. So sometimes you can just change the order in which you fillet to get a better result. All right, sometimes what we can do is kind of get a variable chamfer. So for example, as you can see, guys, we really start packing on details very quickly once you start working with CAD. All right, so for example, I'm going to go ahead and create something right here. I'm going to go and hold down Shift on here. All right. I'm going to go into vertex level and kind of move that around. All right. I'm going to select this. I'm going to hold down Shift D, G to move this off here. I'm going to select them both, press L. All right, the loft doesn't quite work yet. That means we have to kind of straighten things out. So I'm going to go ahead and press S for scale X, then press 0. All right, let's try now. All right, as you can see now, loft works. I'm going to escape to cancel that. So I can now move this, GG to kind of move this. All right, let's loft that. We can delete the lines. Select this, press C, then select this object. All right. We can now, for example, select that and delete it. We can save this face. As you can see, we just have this nice slice right here. Alt H, we can then select that, for example, and chamfer that or fillet that. So we can now add nice details to this as well. I can then select this and scale it and move it as well. Select this, C, select that face, right click, and we just get all sorts of nice cuts happening here. Sometimes what we can do is, notice how right here we have kind of two faces. If I select this and press D, we get that, which you may want. If I select this and press D, we get that. But we can select this left one here and press X, kind of delete that, and now we have this effect. This is also a very nice effect for getting this kind of separate shell effect. We can right click here and then kind of turn off show edges just to see this, for example. So you can change the order in which you fillet it to get different effects. So we can, for example, fillet this, or we can fillet like that, or we can fillet this one like this, and that gives us different fillet order. That gives us different effects. All right, guys. So if we compare it to what we originally had here, you can definitely see the nice benefit of using CAD to detail your meshes and to create these nice, precise details that you just can't quite get as easily with polygons here. Just very nice precision, fillets, and things like that. So guys, this is a very powerful workflow. You can use polygons to get those kinds of freeform shapes that are more difficult to do with CAD. Create the basic armor components, and then you can go in here with CAD. Once again, you don't have to use plasticity, but you would need to use Moai because it pretty much has the best converter from polygon to CAD. But after that, you can use your favorite CAD program to just very nicely detail your meshes and just get these nice kind of crisp details and cuts that are just not possible with polygons. And as plasticity improves, this process will only get better, and you'll be able to create much more efficient fillets and chamfers as well. Thank you for watching, and take care.